Hello and welcome to ET Garage, and today's not a good day. As you can tell by looking at the back of my Vette, there's a long stream of oil coming out the back. And on the way home from the first cruise of the year, I decided to hit the twisty back roads and do a little, have a little fun and do a little hard shifting, and the trans blew. In case you're not familiar with my car, I rebuilt this trans, I don't know, about 30,000 miles ago, a couple of years ago, but 20 or 30,000, I don't know, I'll have to look it up. But anyway, the rollback's on its way. Hopefully it'll be here soon. I'll update everybody where it's at in the future, and hopefully it don't cost me too much money. But I hope everybody has a better day than I'm having right now, and God bless.